Hi there, and thank you for installing our software. I'm Jaap Armboerhoff. I'm the founder and senior developer of Film Impact Premium Tools, here to show you how to get started using our software. Now, when you've installed our software, our effects going to be sitting in your effects browser under video transitions, and you'll find each Film Impact category sitting here nicely. And what I'm going to do is add the glow impacts to a cut in our timeline. So I've got a cut here, beautiful footage here, and just opening up the lights and blur section and apply the glow impacts. It is as easy as drag and drop. So drag, drop, and out of the box, it performs a video transitions, but it has a watermark. So let's clear that. Just click the video transition there and go to the Effects Controls tab, and you'll find a button sitting here that either says Control Center or Get 45 days of free access. Now, we offer 45 days of free access because we are convinced these tools will help you save editing time, precious editing time, and get stunning results as well. So click that button, open the Film Impact Control Center, and either say Get Free Access Now, or if you've got a license key, just enter your license key and say Activate. There you go, I'm ready. Click OK, close. Now, we always recommend restarting Premiere Pro just to make sure the cache is cleared and there are no watermarks left. But for now, we can kind of see the video transition without watermarks. And one thing I always recommend when trying to explore a specific effect is just click the effect and hit the Surprise Me button and see what the features are and what you can do with this specific effect. And I'm just clicking here, and when you like a specific setting, just stop and try and tweak the controls. Go back in time. Just if you happen to press that button once too many and you want to go back in time, just hit Command Z or Control Z for Windows, and that will take you back in time. Now, I've got a specific setting here. I'm going to see how that works. And what if we could change the color and give it even more warmth? Then it's already warm, but just add some extra there and increase the colorization amount and see how this adds energy to your cut. I mean, this is a beautiful scene-to-scene transition that adds energy. Now, another cool feature I want to show you is transitions can not only be used for scene-to-scene transitions, they can be used to reveal or conceal graphic elements like logos. And I've got a logo right here. Just going to drop it. It's a little bit big there, so just scale it down. And now let's reveal this element, right? What I personally like is the Film Impact animations. I'm going to drag and drop the flip impacts there. And there you go, flip. And see how that works. This is a beautiful animation. And I'm going to give it a little bit more room to breathe there. And see how this creates beautiful 3D motion blur. And I can change the angle. See how that works. See how the motion blur works in 3D space. I can also change the curve, how the transition is moving through time. So when I change it to overshoot and see how that works. So beautiful, right? It's very elegant, very soft. And these tools are designed to help you save precious editing time. These will get you the stunning results you'd otherwise expect from diving into After Effects. But what if you can do all that right within your favorite editing app? Now, so I'm going to apply the wipe impacts just between two clips here. I'm gonna give it a little bit more room to breathe and see how I just created end titles. And that was just drag, drop. These are three effects that I've applied. Just the glow, the wipe, and the flip motion impacts. So this is a beautiful way to work with our effects, and I hope this is a good starting point for you. I'd recommend please subscribe to our channel. That will get you more tutorials on working with our premium tools and help you save time and get and add production value. That's basically what we're trying to accomplish. And please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Our support team is happy to help you, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.